Hey everyone, it's Bonnie and I have another Boxycharm video for you. It's going to be a short one, but it's really exciting. I was sitting here eating my salad and I was like, I wonder what Boxycharm has posted on Instagram lately. Lo and behold, it's exciting news. But first, before we get started, if you could hit that like button for me, I would greatly appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also, if my voice sounds a little bit different, as in like it's harder to talk for me, my face has become swollen again, but it is going down, so it's harder for me to enunciate some words. So I do apologize for that. Because it would suck to have to keep on doing retake after retake and making it hurt worse when I can just tell you what's going on. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on to the exciting Boxycharm news. So as I was scrolling on the Boxycharm Instagram on their stories, they had posted that the premiere of the whole Boxyluxe box will be on YouTube on Friday, November 16th. What time? I don't know, but they said they will post the link on their Instagram. So you might want to go check and make sure you are subscribed to the Boxycharm's YouTube channel along with the little bell right next to it so you can get the notifications when they go live. You also might want to check your Instagram to make sure that you get notifications on all their posts. That way you can know when they post that link. He had also said that while the YouTube video is live, you can also ask questions too, which is nice. And of course, I used my screen recorder to record this, and I'll show you at the end. I don't know about you all, but I'm really excited to see the premiere. But of course, I have to work that day, so hopefully it's done on one of my breaks, or the video is left up to where I can watch it afterwards. If not, I know somebody recorded it all. Like I said, this was going to be a very short video, and that's all I have for you all, but I'm going to show you the whole Instagram story here, so keep on watching for that.
Hey Charmers, excellent news. So this Friday we're going to be premiering our Boxyluxe unboxing of December with everybody on YouTube. Hi! And we want you to join us to watch it with us. So Charmers, on Friday we're going to be publishing a link here in our stories where you can follow along with us and see the premiere of the video on YouTube with us at the same time. We're also going to be having a Q&A and a live chat in the bottom where you can communicate and ask questions if you have.
So yeah, that's the Instagram story. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let me know down in the comment. So that's all I have for you all today. Very short but exciting. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my TJ Maxx video that I'm doing. That'll be out in the next day or two. Make sure you hit that like button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button along with the little notification bell if you have not done so already. Until my next video, I will talk to you all later. Bye.